Papa, I bought this for you with my first salary. A brand new smartphone.
Thank you, beta, but I really don't know how to use it.
I will teach you to use internet applications.
Soon Raju got accustomed to using social media. He started posting pictures, liking posts, and messages. One day, Raju's friend, Ramu messaged him on social media requesting 10,000 rupees for a medical emergency. Raju immediately made the payment to Ramu using the shared account details. After a few days, Ramu met Raju in person.
Are you okay now? What happened to you? What was the medical emergency?
I'm perfectly fine. Nothing has happened to me.
Upon your request on social media for the medical emergency, I had transferred rupees 10,000 to you.
But I never asked for help nor received any money from you.
Raju, thinking the request on social media was genuine, I have transferred rupees 10,000 to a fraudster. Oh, I am duped.
Don't keep your personal information like mobile number, email ID, and friend list to open to the public. Don't accept friend request or follow request from people you have never met in person.
For social cause by Kardey Intanges and co-supported by OneShell.